Take 4,000. No, just kidding. Okay. Hi everybody, this is Drew from CMP, Cro-Magnon Plan. We're going to go over a quick video on how to get your funds from crypto.com over to the DeFi space using DeFi Wallet. Now, this is going to go pretty... Oh, God. I can't win. Okay, this is going to go pretty quick, but just bear with me, and also you can always pause, rewind, play it as many times as you like. We are also assuming that you have the DeFi wallet downloaded and installed, as well as a crypto.com account with some funds in it to transfer. Because we're not going to go over all that right now. We just want to just a basic video on how to get your funds from crypto.com to the DeFi wallet. All right, here we go. Goodness gracious. The song I chose was How We Can Do It by Sergey Quadrado. Okay, here we go. So obviously, first thing, we need to have the DeFi wallet downloaded and on your desktop. You're going to click on that. That's going to take us into the DeFi wallet. First thing we need is your address. So we're going to click on the crypto.com coin and hit receive. That's going to bring up your address, which is right here. It's blurred, but if you click right here, that will copy it to your clipboard. We will need that in a minute. Now, if we go over to crypto.com, you can hit transfer, withdraw. Now you have a few options here. Today we're going to focus on the external wallet, the little plus sign, wallet address. Next, make sure you select Cronos from the top of the list here, and then right-click the address we selected earlier and give it a name, something that you'll remember, and then click Withdraw. Now once you click these zeros here, you'll have this pop up. You can select whatever you like. I'm just doing a few just to show, and I always do 2 extra to cover the fees. You can put a little note if it's for a gift. Now we wait. Okay, there we go. So your funds are now decentralized, but you're still using a centralized coin. So if you'd like to buy something like ours, you go to Photon Swap, connect your wallet, and we're going to use the DeFi wallet that we just set up. You might see a few of these screens while it gets ready to go. Now make sure you accept this connect. That will allow Photon Swap to act on your behalf. Now we're just going to do 1 CRO for the example. If you do have an issue, just add 1 more CMP. That will even out the decimal places. Confirm the transaction in your DeFi wallet. Always make sure to verify the contract address. Just going to wait here just for a minute. And there we go. Ta-da, you are done. You now are decentralized in finance. Make sure you go back to the DeFi wallet and disconnect from Photon Swap, and you can view your coins in the wallet. There we go. Super simple. If you have any questions, join us in the Telegram, and there's always someone there to help. Thanks for watching.